My name is Lasaki Omotayo. I studied educational administration at the University of Lagos. Right now I'm a carpenter, but this had never really been something I had thought of, and it wasn't even something that came to me when I was in school because, you know, the course I studied, I'm supposed to be a teacher or somebody in the educational sector, but as time, went on and it was about to be the end of my schooling year, there was ASUU strike. And during this period, I had to find a job to do, because I needed to make money. That should be in 2013, thereabouts, or 14. So the ASUU strike was taking months, and we needed to find something. I needed to find something to do. That includes why I said we at first, because a few of my roommates then in the hostel also wanted to find something to do. So we decided to take the opportunity that came our way then, because the church we go as students in school, they pick students up with the buses every Sunday to go to church. So the church we were going to then, there was someone from the church that needed marketers, and we were called upon. So we went for the interview, and lo and behold, I was the only one that was selected. And rather than being just a marketer, I was also made the PA to the boss. So I was doing marketing and PA duties. And during this period, the job was to market wooden doors. So my boss then, he manufactures wooden doors. He has a very big factory and oven somewhere far away in Ibejuleki. He put me through all the minor things I should know, like the kind of doors, the handles, the hinges and everything, and set me out to go and market. After a while, it took maybe within a month of even starting the job, I had to go back to school because they decided to call off ASUU strike, and that was it. So I went back to write I told my boss, that I had to go to write my final exams, and he let me. He said I could come back when I am done. And when I went and came back, I had to be on freelance because he had employed more people, and the resources to market had become lesser. The vehicle which I was using alone was now shared, and so many things. So he had to place me on freelance. So at that point, I looked at it if it was okay for me, because I come from the mainland to Lekki every day, and being a young lady, I looked at the expenses of being a freelancer, because I have to, rather than relying on my salary and commission on whatever I am able to sell for my boss, I have to only rely on commission, and that wasn't going to work for me as at then. So I decided to do something else. And what was the something else? It became carpentry. That was it. I relate to finding my passion from getting that job, because I wouldn't have thought of woodwork. Even though what I'm doing now is really different from what my boss does, because he has a factory, he has all the resources. I am doing more of furniture and laminates. He does more of hardwood because he has a well-equipped factory and oven to dry his own wood, and so he has well-finished wood, very nice, jobs. But I cannot afford that, so I had to learn how to do the modern-day carpentry work, which has to do with using laminates, which are imported boards, to make furniture and kitchens. So if you look at it now, most people actually like or prefer this because it's faster. So it took me like 6 months, to actually learn this, but I will say that I did not completely learn in 6 months. I continually learn even up till today, because I am not perfect, and new things come out every day. The world we are living in, changes occur. Everything, is upgrading. We have new designs. We have, new kind of furniture coming out every now and then. So the learning process for me is still forever, till I am, till I am done with this line of business, which I'm not looking forward to yet, because it's still a long way to go. I started with nothing, of course, because apparently I didn't have any capital, so this business was started based on learning the process and then asking people to give me a job, let me make you something. At the same time, I believe that my passion, drive and persistence is what brought me this far. And of course I had foresight, I had a goal. I looked at things I wanted to achieve in future, and I had to work towards how to achieve them, you know. So I wasn't under anybody. I didn't work under anybody as a carpenter like this. I only worked as a marketer with my former boss. You understand what I'm saying? So I learned this and started this on my own completely. It's not been easy. I want to say it's not a smooth ride at all. Starting from the part where I have to make people believe me that I can do something, you know, had to convince people to give me something to do, and that was not so funny. My name is Taya Lasaki. I'm 25 years old, and I am the CEO of Hayasaki Interiors and Exteriors Limited. I studied educational administration in the University of Lagos, but here I am being a carpenter. Let's just say it's divine direction.